All right, guys. So if you've been following this build series, the last couple of things we did was we built a platform that lays flat in the back to be able to mount the box in the back seat here. We wired up our new bass knob, and most recently we sound deadened this back hatch here. So now is time to put everything back in. We're going to be installing the box, putting the subs back in the box, installing the amp, and putting that Aero Port back in there.
Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient.
So we got the box back in. God, I hate loading that thing. It is heavy. But you remember in our last video, I added this this aluminum tape to make the bottom a little smoother. And you can see we got the mounting feet right there. These little 1/4 bolts. And I use this threaded inserts, of course. That way I can pull this in and out if I need to. And like I showed you guys, this is bolted to the car now. That's not going to be flopping back and forth. We got it mounted there and there and there and there and there. Same thing on the other side. So that thing's not going anywhere this time. All right, now time to load those subs. Well, now that we got the box in there, it's time to put the subs in there. And if you guys remember, I like to use these things right here, like 1/4 bolts. So what that entails is kind of a pain in the butt, and honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna do it like this next time, but I gotta get in there with a backup so that I can get a nut on that. So I'm basically reaching in through the porthole to try to get the, holding the nut from the top and, the bolt from the top and the nut from the bottom. Let me just give you guys like a little time-lapse video of me doing that, but it's a pain in the butt. It's probably completely unnecessary, and I don't think I'm gonna do it like this next time, but here we go. see what we're gonna do next is I already put the amp in place and I put the headway bank in place. You guys will see that there's a headway bank sitting there. Don't worry, me building that and installing that will be our next video. But I had to put all that in there before I installed the port because the port sits over all of that. It's all tucked up nice and neat. So I had to put everything in there before I installed the port. And then if I want to pull all that out of there, I'm gonna have to pull the port out. But anyway, let me show you guys that and you'll see what I mean. All right, guys, well, there's the video for you. We got the box back in, we got the subs put in, we got the port put in, we got the battery put in, we got everything put in. It is almost time for version 3 of the go-kart build, the 2018 Mitsubishi Mirage. I'm getting excited about it, guys. I think this is gonna be way better than it was before. Same equipment, just making some changes to make it a little bit better. Anyway, I thank you guys for watching.
Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big boss, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top?